Hello, my name is Jacob Gunn, and this is my presentation for Tomato Squadron. Tomato Squadron is a third-person RPG with RTS. As a lone survivor of the squad, your mission is to save the fridge from an infectious mold that is turning other food in the fridge into ketchup-thirsty monsters. There are 3 levels in the game, one for each level of the fridge. Each level will be slightly different from the one preceding it. For example, the third level will be in the freezer, and the background will be frozen blocks of ice with frozen characters looking at you. The overall object of the game will be to get to the end of the third level to turn the fridge control knob, making it cooler and killing the mold. In each level, you'll be given your orders in the command center on the left side of the fridge, and must fight your way to the right side. The 3D level will be full of puns and a much longer space than the fridge is wide, being that it is from the perspective of the tomato. In the game, you will turn and aim with the mouse. Other inputs, such as fire and movement, will be implemented with the keyboard. The camera will be from an overhead view, that is, at an angle to emphasize the 3D layout. The camera will slowly pan forward and push the character. You will be moved forward, unable to go outside of the frame. You will be able to fire your weapon one round at a time, and it will only take one hit to kill an opponent. The enemy will advance one at a time or in a weaving line. When the enemy dies, it may or may not drop a weapon upgrade that will give you faster bullets, more firing points, or better ammunition. Each time you gain an upgrade, there will be compounded for better enhancements. This will be reset if you die. You will have a limited amount of lives before it is game over, but checkpoints will aid in your advancement. Securing your forward position, you will eventually come to the right side of the fridge, where there is a large bag of broccoli. Destroying this will signify the end of the level. The enemy will present itself in several waves of attacks that steadily increase in both number and skill that will lead to an uber or boss character. Destroying strategic hit points will kill the boss and win the level. Your score points will then be tallied so that you can put your name on a scoreboard. There have been a few games that have implemented this design in the past, such as Galaga, but they have never had a 3D tomato-based design. The challenges for us will be in both C# writing and original artistic design, but I believe the challenges will not outweigh our team's ability. I believe this game will be both fun to make and to play. Thank you for listening, and I hope you choose my